Cuando te miro, me siento como si estuviera en el cielo. Me siento como si estuviera tocando el cielo. Cuando te toqué, cuando te miro, me siento como si estuviera en el cielo. Me siento como si estuviera tocando el cielo. Cuando te toqué, no me dejes ir, no me dejes ir, te necesito, no me dejes ir, no me dejes ir, te necesito, no me dejes ir, te amo, no me dejes ir, no me dejes ir, te necesito, no me dejes ir, no me dejes ir, te necesito, no me dejes ir, te amo. Cuando te miro, me siento como si estuviera en el cielo. Me siento como si estuviera tocando el cielo. Cuando te toqué. Cuando te miro, me siento como si estuviera en el cielo. Me siento como si estuviera tocando el cielo. Cuando te toqué, cuando te miro, me siento como si estuviera en el cielo. Me siento como si estuviera tocando el cielo. Cuando te toqué.
I make sure the second rubber starts from here too, so it goes in here, and then I grab a little chunk there, and we have something that looks like Mickey Mouse. So this is what we have, ensuring that this part is inwards.
En el cielo, me siento como si estuviera tocando el cielo. Cuando te toqué, cuando te miro, me siento como si estuviera en el cielo. Me siento como si estuviera tocando el cielo. Cuando te toqué.
Pinch the top section and use a bobby pin to hold it down, just to emphasize that point of separation at the top to make the heart look more like a heart, just like that. how to decorate your braids with strings is going to be listed in the description bar. I have a detailed video of how to make this style, and I have videos of how to add beads to hair with different things. Even if you don't have a beader and a latch hook, I am going to leave links to those videos in the description bar too. Guys, I kept feeling like because of the way the hair is black and everything is black, you couldn't see the shape of the hat, and it was frustrating me. So I decided to spray paint just the part of the hat to make the shape obvious. And guys, this paint went all over the place, and I still don't know if this was a good idea or not, but I was just trying to make the shape of the hat stand out from the black in the whole head. And guys, was this a bad idea? I still don't know, because I just got the paint, all the gel, the spray gel all over the hair, and I don't know if it even made the hat shape more like to stand out more. That was why I kept holding my hands around it to make like a disparity between the hair itself and the hat. But after spray painting it again, I was just all over the place, confused. But guys, I have something more interesting coming up at the end of the video, so just keep watching. These are some of the pictures I took trying to cut the hat delicately so that you can see it. God, this is so embarrassing. Everything was just black and black and black, and it wasn't showing. But I hope with this our hat is beating fine. It's beating fine, guys. So if you have been considering getting a mannequin head, these two are the best reviewed hairs on YouTube, on Amazon, like a black afro type of hair. And I made a video comparing both of them, but I also have individual review, like unboxing and review videos of each one of them. And then I made this video comparing both of them. If you are looking for a mannequin, like an African type of mannequin head, you should watch this video. It is already up on my channel. Thank you so much, guys, for stopping by. Bye.